I want to talk about repurposing in this module. Repurposing is something I've mentioned a couple of times previously, but it is one of the things that I get really excited about. So, in this module, we're going to discuss what is repurposing and what are the benefits of repurposing. I'm also going to give you 20 examples of repurposing, and then we're going to move on to creating evergreen content. So, the big question is, what is repurposing? Content repurposing is the process of taking existing content and reusing it in a new format or a new context. This increases the return on your investment exponentially. Not only does it save you time and money, you're sharing the same thing twice or multiple times in different formats on different channels.